In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find coming soon in Uniqlo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look on the website to preview upcoming releases so you can plan your purchases ahead of time. Start by opening the Uniqlo website and landing on the home page. Give the page a moment to load so all the images and menus appear correctly. At the top of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. This is the strip with the major shopping categories, typically including options like women, men, kids, and baby. That top menu is where we'll do all the work. Move your cursor over any of those categories on the top menu. When you hover, a larger drop-down, sometimes called a mega menu, will appear. In that expanded panel, look carefully at the different groups of links. You'll notice that each section features a coming soon category. It may sit alongside other common links like new arrivals or special collections, but coming soon will be clearly labeled so you can spot it quickly. Choose the department you're interested in exploring and click into it. For this walkthrough, let's use the men category as an example. Click men to open the section and wait for the page to load. Once you're in the men area, look again for the coming soon link within that department. Depending on the layout, you might see it in the top menu drop-down, in a side panel, or highlighted in a feature area. Click coming soon to proceed. You'll now be on the coming soon page for that section. This page collects all the upcoming products that Uniqlo has previewed for that department, so you can browse what's on the way before it officially launches. Scroll through the listings to see product photos, names, and other basic details. As you review the items, pay close attention to the bottom area of each product tile. That's where Uniqlo displays the availability information, typically indicating the date or time frame when the product will be available. These notes help you know when to check back or when to plan a visit. Availability timelines can vary by item and region, so consider them a helpful guide. If you want to explore other departments, repeat the same approach. Hover over the top menu, locate coming soon under the section you care about, click it, and browse the upcoming items there. That's all you need to preview future releases on Uniqlo and stay ahead of the drop.